फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, you're watching Cricket Next. I am Suramya Kaushik. All IPL 2024, the big tournament has reached at such a stage where people are looking forward to a big match. They are looking forward to that one day, 18th May, and they are just in that zone to witness what will happen on that day. And you know why I'm stressing so much on that day? Because it's going to be RCB versus CSK. Now, स्टार्ट में मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि आरसीबी, जिस टीम ने 6 मैचेस लगातार हारे, वो 5 मैचेस जीतकर और अब ऐसे पोजीशन पर होगी जहां पर वो अब भी प्लेऑफ्स में क्वालिफाई कर सकते हैं. ऑन द अदर साइड, चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स, दे हैव अ वेरी डिफरेंट सीजन this year, because earlier we have always seen how Chennai Super Kings either like to be at the top of the points table, or at times they have also been at the bottom of the points table, but this time around they have struggled in the middle of the points table. Here and there they have lost matches, they have won matches, some close ones, some comfortable ones, but this one's going to be a big one against Royal Challengers Bengaluru, because Chennai Super Kings, they really need that win in order to be in the top 4. Now, how big this match's gonna be, let's hear it out from Jamie Alter and my colleague Kanav Bali. Jamie, अगर हम पहले जाते हैं, पहले 1-2 मैचेस या 1-2 हफ्ते आईपीएल के, तो मुझे लगता है बहुत लोगों ने तो आरसीबी को बाहर ही कर दिया था पॉइंट्स टेबल के, कह दिया था अरे हाँ खत्म है इनका टूर्नामेंट, तो अब क्या ही बचा है इनको, 2-4 मैचेस हैं, अपनी प्राइड के लिए खेलेंगे. इनफैक्ट विराट कोहली ने एक पोस्ट मैच प्रेजेंटेशन में कह दिया था कि वी आर प्लेइंग फॉर आवर प्राइड एंड सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट इज व्हाट ऑल वी आर प्लेइंग फॉर. एंड नाउ they are at a stage, where they are jumping, they're enjoying, they're flying, because they know that they're one win away to be in the top 4. Obviously, they would want, the other results also to go in their favor. But a big comeback, isn't it?
Outstanding comeback, but they're always jumping. Even when they're losing, it's kind of knows they always jump and celebrate like they've just won the trophy. उसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. But look, for a team that spent 1 month sitting at number 10, to now be, like you said, one win away from matching other teams on 14, it is remarkable. It's because Rajat Patidar has found form. It's because Cameron Green is now starting to do things. It took them what? It took them 6-7 matches to figure out कि हमारा best combo क्या है, Swapnil Singh जब से आए, Swapnil Singh is that lucky mascot. जब से वो बंदा 11 में आया है, ये टीम एक भी मैच भी नहीं हारी है. बंदे का योगदान बहुत बड़ा नहीं है, but for a spinner to come in the power play, I think his economy is under 7, if I'm not mistaken. So it just shows how 1 or 2 changes here and there can just change things. Virat Kohli has been scoring runs since match number 1, but अकेला बंदा कितना करेगा, It's now it's Patidar. I think Patidar के 554 आए हैं इसी hot streak में. So it's a case of, like you said, इस बहुत बड़ी स्टेटमेंट है विराट कोहली से कि खुद उन्होंने कहा था कि अब ये पैकअप हो चुका है, but now look at that, what, 3 weeks since that statement, this team is the only, you look at the columns, the last 5, they're the only team with 5 greens. बाकी सबकी या तो 2 ग्रीन है, 3 ग्रीन है, 4 रेड है, 1 ग्रीन है. इनके 5 greens हैं. Outstanding comeback. I didn't see it happening. I still don't think RCB are going to make it, because like Faf du Plessis said, like Virat Kohli said, वो पहले 1 महीने में जो उन्होंने गलतियां करी, जो रिजल्ट्स उनके फेवर में नहीं गया, it just left them with, I think, a bit too much to do. But in terms of watching something fun, in terms of something unprecedented, what an amazing hot streak this team is on.
Absolutely. Kind of, if we go back to that SRH match, things started to change for RCB from that match itself. So they won quite well against Sunrisers Hyderabad, and that was one match where I believe they might have got their confidence. And then the other 2 matches were against the same opponent, Gujarat Titans, and that was the time where Gujarat Titans were struggling. In fact, even now, but their last win was such that they are also finding some hope at the end of the and tunnel, so to say. They are looking for that light, and they are looking for a path to better their position in the points table. But after that two games against Gujarat Titans, Punjab Kings, and then Delhi Capitals. Everything's going their way, from batters to bowlers to collective performances. Everything's going their way. But even if things go their way against Chennai Super Kings, I don't think so. It'll be an easy way for them to be in the top four, because there's Sunrisers Hyderabad, Lucknow Super Giants. Would you like to just explain, all these scenarios that can happen for RCB to qualify?
Well, there's a lot of stuff that needs to happen for RCB to qualify. काफी हो चुका है, जो हमें लग रहा था नहीं होगा वो तो हो चुका है, but to have that luck continuously till you qualify, I think it's very 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 tough. Yes, RCB has reignited that fire. अब वो fire reignite हुई है या वो flame बुझने से पहले जो फटफट आती है वो थोड़ा सा हुआ है. We don't know RCB के साथ क्या होगा. Qualification scenario is simple as it can be. Okay, I points table on the screen. लखनऊ के 2 मैच पड़े हैं, अगर वो दोनों मैच जीते हैं they'll go to 16. That obviously cuts off RCB's chances. तो RCB wants लखनऊ कम से कम एक मैच अपना हारे. कल दिल्ली से खेल रहे हैं अरुण जेटली स्टेडियम में. फ्राइडे को they'll play Mumbai Indians at the Wankhede Stadium. So these two matches are very important for RCB. एक हारना जरूरी है लखनऊ का. They'll remain on 14 इससे, and their net run rate is any which way not that good. Then coming to SRH अगर अपने दोनों जीत जाता है, एक भी जीत जाता है, I believe that they are already on 14. They'll go to 16. Both CSK and RCB can't reach 16. So SRH also qualifies. So I personally I would take KKR, RR, and SRH as the three teams that have already qualified for me. It's all about the fourth spot now. It ultimately boils down to then RCB or Chennai. Now RCB versus Chennai is on Saturday. I think probably the last league game of IPL 2024, and whoever wins that match वाला सिनेरियो भी नहीं है, क्योंकि बेंगलोर को जीतना ही नहीं है, उनको एक अच्छे मार्जिन से जीतना है. जैसे कि यू कैन सी द सिनेरियो ऑन योर स्क्रीन. If they score 200, they have to win by 18 runs at least, and if they are chasing, they have to chase the total by 18.1 odd जो overs है. We'll get the exact obviously scenario that day. But 18 runs and 18.1 का जो कट ऑफ है वो आरसीबी के लिए काफी जरूरी है. दिस इज द बेसिक बॉटम लाइन फॉर आरसीबी. अभी तक सब कुछ उनके फेवर में हुआ है. ऑब्वियसली दे हैव आल्सो प्लेड गुड क्रिकेट. द रीजन दैट दे आर इन दिस पोजीशन is because they have played well, and the reason that they are in this position is also because they have played very bad in the first half. तो दोनों उनकी जो करम आता है उसकी वजह से वो यहाँ पे है. और वो कोलकाता वाला मैच याद आएगा आरसीबी फैंस को, 1 रन से जो हारे थे. वो मैच अगर उस फेवर में चला जाता तो आज आरसीबी और ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन पे होती. तो इट्स जस्ट अ गेम ऑफ मार्जिन यार. इतना बड़ा आईपीएल 14 मैचेस आप खेलते हो, एंड इट अल्टीमेटली अगर आरसीबी क्वालिफाई नहीं करेगी तो वो 1 रन बहुत खटकेगा आरसीबी को. डिस्पाइट ऑफ विनिंग अगेंस्ट सीएसके, अगर आप अच्छे मार्जिन से नहीं जीते फिर भी आप क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाओगे, दैट विल ऑब्वियसली पिंच मोर. बट एज ऑफ नाउ RCB fans, all eyes are on Lucknow. They have to at least lose one of their games against Delhi or against Mumbai, which I believe they will. Lucknow is not in that sort of a form, especially what happened against SRH. उस मैच के बाद तो I think their confidence will be down, जिस तरीके से वो हारे थे. तो I believe on that front RCB is safe. Lucknow will lose at least one of their matches or both of their matches. We'll have to wait and see. But it will ultimately boil down to RCB versus CSK, and if they'll be able to beat CSK with a good margin that we showed 18 runs or 18.1 over. अब चिन्नास्वामी मैच है तो I will give that benefit of doubt to RCB कि शायद कर जाए, because I still believe RCB can चिन्नास्वामी में do that. But then again it's MS Dhoni and team, and MS Dhoni won't go down that lightly. And as we were talking before the live, what an irony it would be that if RCB has to qualify, if Virat Kohli has to go to the next step, he'll have to eventually end MS Dhoni's career there and then, because this is his last IPL. If CSK doesn't qualify, he'll not go into the playoffs, and that match at Chinnaswamy will be his last match ever. If we are saying that this is his last IPL, which looks like it is, तो विराट कोहली को धोनी का वो जो क्रिकेटिंग करियर है वो 2-3 मैच शॉर्ट करना पड़ेगा to qualify into the playoffs. But it is what it is. It is actually what makes cricket interesting, IPL interesting. And I still believe RCB fans, me being one, we lost all hope as Jamie said. यार एक पोजीशन पे तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैच ही जीत जाओ, ट्रॉफी तो बहुत दूर की बात है. From there to calculating and wondering, यार एक मैच अच्छे मार्जिन से जीत जाओ, will qualify. That I believe that this is a very good position to be in. But then again, there is a lot of things that needs to fall into place for RCB to qualify.
Absolutely. I completely agree. Royal Challengers Bengaluru, they're currently with 12 points. Even if they win against Chennai Super Kings, they'll be sitting with only 14 points. And over there, if you see Sunrisers Hyderabad and Lucknow Super Giants, they have played decent cricket the whole season. So I am really looking forward to how they play both their games. And till 18th of May, the picture will be very clear in front of both the teams, because Lucknow Super Giants will complete all their matches by then. They're playing Delhi Capitals and they're also playing Mumbai Indians. So a lot of things will matter on Lucknow Super Giants match. And by then, Sunrisers Hyderabad would have also played one match. And Jamie, we talk about Sunrisers Hyderabad's opponents. One is Punjab Kings, the other one is Gujarat Titans. And the way Sunrisers Hyderabad have been, batting and bowling, I think they're gonna win the two matches.
You would expect that, given the batting
Yeah.
form and the fact how the bowlers are doing it. But look, this is the IPL. It's always got a couple surprises left in the last 10 days of play, and we're looking at that last 1 week. So who knows? Form के basis पर, stats के basis पर, record के basis पर, point table के basis पर, there's no reason why Sunrisers shouldn't beat those two teams. But I've seen a lot of strange things happen. So I just got a feeling things are nicely being shaping up for that Saturday, Sunday to be a weekend bonanza. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, ठीक है, we might get some inclination, but ये weekend के matches आखिरी के 2 spots confirm करेंगे.
Also, I am excited for that RR KKR clash also, because RR in the last two matches have been so disappointing. I mean, Rajasthan Royals, they started off so well. And in the last two matches, it just seems that they have lost the plot. They're not even on the track. So I'm also excited for that match, because that's one big match that'll happen. And, a lot of things will matter on that match in terms of the first number team and the second number team as well. But if we have to, just come to a result, so KKR and RR, they have already qualified. Like, plainly we speak, so they are already going to the playoffs. Now it all comes to the third position and the fourth position team. Now, Jamie, yesterday, Delhi Capitals, I don't know if I should say thanks to their dropped catches, or I should say thanks to Royal Challengers Bengaluru, the way they batted. Either ways, Delhi Capitals are also out of the race. More so, they're out of the race. Obviously, there'll be some mathematical calculations, and somebody will be asking for a scientific calculator to calculate how DC can be there in top 4. But they're just out. No, it all comes to the two positions. What do you think? What's gonna happen? Like, whether it's gonna be Sunrisers Hyderabad and CSK, or it's gonna be CSK SRH, or SRH LSG, or LSG CSK. What are your calculations? How you are calculating and reading the game at the moment?
Yeah, so KKR is the only team which has gone through. I think it's going to be these same top 4 teams, but I would not be surprised if RR go from second to fourth. They will go through because 16 points will be enough. RCB cannot get to 16. DC cannot get to 16. Lucknow can, but I don't see them getting them. I would not be surprised if RR end up at number 4, because, like you said, अचानक वो team काफी ढीली लग रही है, which is shocking. They spent, as long as RCB sat at number 10, RR sat at number 1 for longer. और अचानक 3 मैच के अंदर या 8-10 दिन के अंदर वो नंबर 2 पे हैं, और अगर वो अपने आप को नहीं सुधारेंगे, I would not be surprised if they end up at 4th. And the bigger concern is when Josh Butler not being there in the knockouts, how will they manage to find a replacement for him? He's been terrible last couple matches, but all said and done, इनके जो 2 बड़े शतक हैं चेस में, वो जॉस बटलर से आए. So I don't look at his last couple innings. I look at what Josh Butler could do in a knockout match. और जैसे कि Phil Salt नहीं होंगे KKR के पास, how are they going to fill that massive vacancy of Josh Butler going? So for me, I've changed my prediction. RR are not the favorites for the IPL anymore. I'm still saying it's SRH because Pat Cummins factor. जो bowling अब तक ठीक लग रही है, knockouts में वो bowling अचानक change हो जाएगी.
और जेमी, मुझे ये भी याद है कि एक लाइव शो के दौरान हम लोग यही बात कर रहे थे कि कैसे पिछले कुछ गेम्स में पैट कमिंस ने जब भी टॉस जीता तो उन्होंने चेज लिया. And this decision happened when they lost a match while chasing a target. And that exactly happened after that match where, he said that we have done really well in scoring runs, but we have fumbled in chasing. So in the next 2 or 3 matches that they played after that particular match, they opted to chase whenever Pat Cummins won the toss. And I think that's a very big thing to do, because they were at a very crucial point in the tournament that time and they went for that decision. And now you see what they did against Lucknow Super Giants. They were chasing 160 plus target and they chased it down within 10 overs. It was unbelievable. But I think they showcased that we have the power and we can do it. And they you all must have seen that interview that gives me chills. Pat Cummins on CNBC only, he mentioned that, what I care is that we are winning IPL 2024. I really don't care what other teams are doing. So whenever he says something, that definitely gives chills to other people, because that's Pat Cummins at the end of the day. Anyway, I think Sunrisers Hyderabad are going to be either on the second position or the third position. We'll have to see how they play their next 2 games. But kind of, I also agree with what Jamie said in terms of Rajasthan Royals. Now they have 2 matches. One match is against Punjab Kings and the other one is against Kolkata Knight Riders. And Kolkata Knight Riders match is the last match of the league stage. तो हमको सब कुछ पता चल जाएगा कि कौन 1 नंबर पे है, थर्ड पे है, फोर्थ पे है. एनीवे यही 4 टीम्स में होना है फर्स्ट से लेकर फोर्थ तक जो भी लड़ाई है या कंपटीशन है. बट हाउ बिग दैट पंजाब किंग्स मैच इज गोना बी फॉर राजस्थान?
I think both these matches are very important, especially considering now they have 2 matches to practice without Josh Butler. ये 2 matches में how they fare without Josh Butler, we'll have to wait and see, because playoffs are really important. And I think these 2 matches, Josh Butler has already left India. He has already gone back home. And now we'll have to wait and see how the batting fares, especially the opening partnership. As Jamie said that he is the one who scored centuries while chasing, and he is a vital cog in the wheel. And for any T20 team he plays, Josh Butler is a great asset. And to lose him midway through the tournament, or rather before the crucial juncture that is the playoffs, it is always a big loss. But I believe that Rajasthan has enough safe cushion to fall back on now. जैसे कि जेमी ने कहा, the maximum they can do is fall back to 4. They'll obviously not go out of the top 4, not go out of the playoff contentions. So they will qualify. It's just that they want to give themselves 2 chances to go to the finals. Then they'll have to remain at top 2 against Punjab. I believe they can beat Punjab. Punjab is again all over the place. I don't expect Punjab to do any good in that regard. But apart from what I'm wondering is, if Josh Butler has left this early, will the other players like Johnny Bairstow, Sam Curran, will they go to if they are in that Pakistan series? Because ठीक है, Bairstow, Sam Curran, they were not in the playoffs, तो उनका नाम इतना नहीं आ रहा था. But if Josh Butler has gone back home now, either it's he wants to spend some personal time with the family before he joins the England camp, and then obviously we can expect Bairstow and Curran to remain for the IPL. But वो भी देखना जरूरी है. But any which way, I see RR entering into the playoffs in the top 2 position only. They have faltered, but they will somehow find their place back. And I don't know why I have been saying this for a week. जहाँ भी मेरी जिससे बात होती है, I can see RR somehow winning this IPL. मेरे को लग रहा था, obviously they have faltered, and मेरा भी थोड़ा वो जो trust है ना, वो हिल गया है, the kind of cricket they are playing. But I have a belief that they might go on to win their second trophy, the first after the first season that they won. But they will against Punjab, so they will win. Against KKR again, it's a dicey match. KKR is probably the only team that is better than them at this position. Obviously, number 1 on the points table. They are playing quality cricket. They are playing good cricket, and I also expect KKR to falter before the playoffs. So एक वो factor भी है. I don't see KKR going into the playoffs smoothly with wins on their back. I think they will also falter एक दो जगह पे आके. Thankfully they have qualified for KKR fans that they are already through. तो अब डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब हारोगे भी तो ऊपर नीचे ही होगा, बाहर नहीं होगे. But I see KKR, RR, SRH qualifying very easily. And I think in that order only, KKR, RR, SRH, and then the 4th position is again up for debates, as we talked about. Might be CSK, might be RCB. I don't see LSG qualifying at all. I mean, to win 2 back-to-back matches after what happened against SRH, it will take a lot out of them. The actual part, funny part, what I was wondering was that if Lucknow wins tomorrow, they go to 14. And if the Friday match gets washed out, क्योंकि मुंबई में आज बारिश हुई है और एक बार बारिश शुरू होगी तो कुछ पता नहीं होता, randomly it rains any given day. So if that Friday match gets washed out, they'll get 1 point. That is enough for them to qualify. They'll reach 13. अगर RCB CSK को हरा देती है उस दिन भी, I believe, then they'll go to 13, no?
15.
Yeah, they'll go to
15,
13.
15. They go to 15.
RCB will go to 15. Yeah.
No. LSG will go to
LSG
15.
will go 15.
LSG.
will go to 15.
हाँ.
So RCB CSK में अगर कोई जीता भी तो it won't be enough because they'll go to 14 and LSG will qualify. So if they
No,
win
but
tomorrow,
CSK are already on 14 ना कनाफ. तो अगर CSK जीतती है RCB
Yeah.
से तो they'll go to 16. So it'll be CSK only. तो भी LSG का नहीं हो पाएगा.
for RCB, even if they win that match, even if they go on to
हाँ.
win that match, even with a good margin, that won't be enough
हाँ.
because they will be 1 point behind LSG at that point. So for RCB, they want कि लखनऊ एक मैच तो हारे ही हारे किसी तरह. बारिश में भी if it gets washed out एक जीतने के बाद, that will be a huge headache and that's the fun part यार. वो कैलकुलेटर निकल जाते हैं आरसीबी फैंस को तो वैसी ही आदत है. वो आईपीएल शुरू होता है कैलकुलेटर खरीद लेते हैं. तो आई एम काउंटिंग माय सेल्फ इन दैट. अगर कोई आरसीबी फैन बुरा मान रहा है तो मैं भी उनमें से एक ही हूँ. मैं मेरा भी कैलकुलेटर रेडी रहता है.
No, actually, not only for RCB, Kanav. This is the stage
many-
in IPL where generally many fans
Many teams.
take out their calculators and they
I'm talking about
calculate their teams.
my team.
हाँ.
The team I am a fan of. I'm talking about obviously not just RCB. Yaar. You see MI, Punjab, GTA. They are also at least RCB is in contention. So every season there are 2 to 3 teams which have a very bad season. There are few who have a very good season. और कुछ बीच में होते हैं तो लास्ट तक कैलकुलेट करते रहते हैं कि अभी चले जाएंगे नहीं जाएंगे. And that's actually the fun part here. I mean, any day I would have loved to see RCB cruising into the playoffs, but even this is fun as an RCB fan to see them fighting for their spot because this is the maximum we can get fun because we final खेले मुझे लग रहा है टाइम हो गया काफी अब. So this is the most fun that we get and it's fun. I mean, Kohli versus MS Dhoni and playing the virtual knockout match qualification के लिए. I think that it's perfectly set up in case Lucknow loses. Obviously, that's
Well, yeah, because I think there are a couple of matches, or if I have to say, more than a couple of matches that have the capability of changing the scenarios for the other teams, especially Lucknow Super Giants. Second match will be one of those matches, so that will carry a lot of weightage. Or so to say, both LSG matches. Sunrisers Hyderabad's 2 matches also will carry a lot of weightage over there for RCB and Chennai Super Kings match on 18th of May. But if we talk particularly about RCB versus CSK match, Jamie, which two teams do you think have an upper hand? Because if I talk about Chinnaswamy, Royal Challengers Bangalore haven't performed really well at their home ground.
But they've got the momentum now, 5 matches in a row.
That's right, yeah.
It's been a long time इस IPL में कि किसी टीम ने 3 मैच लगातार जीते. यहाँ हम बात कर रहे हैं 5 लगातार जीत. वो भी ऐसी टीम से जो खुद विराट कोहली ने कहा था कि इस बार तो हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. We're playing for pride. But somehow that confidence, I think Mr. Sunil Gavaskar comments should be behind. One reason behind their resurgence is that it took his comments to take Virat Kohli's batting to a new level. जो भी है, this team cannot be laughed at right now. हाँ, मुश्किल बहुत है, as we've all been discussing for the last 25 minutes. But right now, they're winning at home as well. वो road पे जीत रहे हैं. Bottom line is they're doing what no one has done for a long time. 5 match अभी तक मतलब किए 2-3 टीम ने, but not like this. Not when your back's against to the wall. Whatever cliche you want to use, RCB or in that situation. So I don't know. Is it beyond them to beat CSK? Not on a 5-match losing streak. Not with CSK without every single main bowler is gone. Tushar Deshpande, मेरे ख्याल से Tushar Deshpande, Kanav and Jadeja, the only bowlers who've been there from day one in the 11. बाकी मुस्तफिजुर गए, पतिराना गए, सैंटनर 2 मैच खेले, सिमरजीत 3 मैच खेले, Theekshana is back. Only 2 of their first choice bowlers are still standing. Batting में देखो जीत गई टीम कल, लेकिन 142 के चेस ऐसा तो नहीं होता. You should have won a little earlier. So I'm just saying I would not be surprised if RCB beats CSK. Will that be enough to go through? I don't think so. But right now, I'm the last person who's going to say, "Bhai, RCB को हल्के में लेना." Not after winning 5 in a row.
But Jamie, if I talk about Chennai Super Kings, one thing that I really like about Chennai Super Kings is the way they, bounce back at times, and they bounce back when it's least expected out of them, because the kind of bowling that they have right now, I think it's one of the weakest. So to say, in the teams that are lined up in top four, because they don't have their key bowlers. But with that, the way Simarjeet is performing, I think that's really good. Tushar Deshpande is one bowler that I haven't figured out yet, and Jamie, I would like to know it from you whether you have figured out the way Tushar Deshpande bowls, because at times I really feel that even he doesn't know what he is doing in the match, and he gets wickets, so he celebrates, and when he doesn't get wickets, he just stays upset over there. So with Tushar Deshpande, Simarjeet Singh, obviously Jadeja is there. He's been bowling well. We have seen that he has got that experience. But with others, like Santner and Shardul Thakur, do you think that under MS Dhoni, there could be something very different that can happen in this bowling order, and they can win matches? Because अगर ये जीत भी जाते हैं आरसीबी के खिलाफ, तो भी आपको एलिमिनेटर में तो जाना ही पड़ेगा. I don't think so कि सेकंड पे खत्म करेगी चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स.
No, they won't get to second. But again, it's CSK नहीं. जब भी कहते हैं कि ये टीम ये है, ये टीम वो है, ये टीम हो नहीं पाएगा, they find a way to get to the playoffs. So चेन्नई एक ऐसी टीम है कि अगर वो कहीं कहीं मर के पहुंच भी गई playoffs तक, then they're the most dangerous team. Despite listing 4 or 5 players, शिवम दुबे जब से वर्ल्ड कप स्क्वाड में आए, उसका बल्ला बिल्कुल ऑलमोस्ट बंद हो गया. But only because it's CSK, they have winning in their DNA. They have Dhoni still around. You cannot rule them out. But right now, I'm talking purely about that final match. I'm talking RCB versus CSK. Right now, for me, RCB are the favorites because they have momentum. हाँ, पिछले एक हफ्ते में CSK ने 3 मैच खेले. They had to win almost all of them. They've won 2 out of 3. They're at number 3. They're in prime position to get to the playoffs. They will get to the playoffs, but purely in regards of that last match, for me, and ये मैं कह रहा हूँ, and Kana will be shocked to hear me ever put RCB favorites over anybody, that too against defending champions. लेकिन Sunday के match में RCB are the favorites because of momentum, because of Virat Kohli, Cameron Green, Will Jacks, Patidar, Swapnil Singh, Yash Dayal, Mohammad Siraj finally ढंग के bowler लग रहे हैं इस IPL में, and because of the glaring cracks in CSK. But make no mistake, CSK playoff जाएगी, RCB playoffs नहीं जाएगी.
Oh, that's right. RCB के पहले वाले मैचेस भी इतने डिसअपॉइंटिंग थे. डिसअपॉइंटिंग ही मैं कहूँगी, क्योंकि जब आप 6 मैचेस एक साथ हारते हैं तो आपको कोई भी टॉप 4 की रेस में तो नहीं गिन रहा होता है. सो उस टाइम पे सबको ही लगा था कि रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बेंगलुरु वोंट इवन मेक इट टू द नंबर 5 पोजीशन. Obviously, big round of applause to RCB for their comeback. It really takes a lot of effort for a team to come from 10th position to 5th position and then stay in contention for the playoffs. So kudos to them. But I agree with Jamie. Chennai Super Kings will go to the playoffs, and they will be a beast in the playoffs. They can be a beast in the playoffs because there is still one man over there. I'm just saying in terms of that one man and how they have performed in the playoffs before. Kana, what do you think?
Well, I was also wondering about RCB, and I was quite happy with the lineup that Jamie just put in about RCB के जो informed lineup है. But then I also saw the news that Will Jacks has also returned back to England for international duties, and that is a big blow. Will Jacks and Reeks Topley was any which way not playing, but Will Jacks is a big blow before such a crucial game, and that will obviously dent RCB's chances. Now I think Maxwell will come back. You have no option. Either Maxwell does something out of the blue, because the way जो luck चल रहा है RCB का, I think it would be way more funny अगर Maxwell आके कोई innings खेल जाए. But it is a big blow for the RCB team and for the RCB fans that Will Jacks will be returning. And as much as I want to believe that RCB will qualify, I know that CSK has an upper hand here. They will. एक तो सिनेरियो आ जाता ना जब कि 18 रन 18.1, ये इतना बड़ा नहीं है. आप 18 रन से 40 रन से जीत रही है आरसीबी सिर्फ जीत नहीं रही है, वो अच्छे मार्जिन से जीत रही है सारे मैचेस, तभी रन रेट उनका इतने ऊपर आ गया है. बट when that psychological factor comes ना यार कि नहीं 18 ओवर में चेस करना है, तो that sort of gives you a nudge down कि यार शायद ना हो पाए,
Pressure,
and
yeah.
that प्रेशर में होता क्या, you go on chasing quickly और वो आउट हो, उस चक्कर में आउट हो जाते हैं, and a lot of other stuff happens. So I will give an edge to CSK that they might qualify, but then again, as Jamie said, as we all have been saying, the kind of turnaround RCB has shown up till now, I won't be shocked if they qualify. कि इतना कुछ कर लिया, वो करके भी qualify अगर कर जाएंगे, obviously I'll be more than happy as a fan, but I won't be shocked also because कर रहे हैं यार वो टर्न अराउंड, वो लक उनके फेवर में चल रहा है, मेहनत भी कर रहे हैं, बट दिस विल जैक ब्लो आई बिलीव विल बी अ बिग ब्लो, क्योंकि विल जैक्स एट चिन्ना स्वामी यार, छोटी बाउंड्रीज है, वो सीएसके के बॉलर्स को ही कुड इजीली टेक ऑन वहां पे प्रेशर डालने के लिए, एंड टू नॉट हैव समवन ऑफ हिज कैलिबर, ऑफ हिज stature, of his skills that he brings to the table, I believe CSK already has an advantage here, and we'll have to wait and see. As a fan, I'll say दिल से RCB, but I'll have to agree with, because Jamie जब भी RCB की बात करते हैं ना, as an RCB fan जैसे भी लगे, but I always agree because I know he's coming from a very 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 logical and a practical place कि क्या गलत करती है RCB, क्यों उस पोजीशन में आती है RCB, and I can not do anything but agree with him rather, and I believe कि CSK will somehow have an edge in this match.
Okay, so we just had a chat with our panelists. This is for everyone who's watching our live, and both of them feel that in the last match on 18th of May, it might be RCB's day. Might RCB win that match, or it might happen that RCB play really well against Chennai Super Kings, but at the end of the day, it is going to be Chennai Super Kings. Ravi Shankar saying RCB and CSK will be without Moeen Ali and Will Jacks. I think for Chennai Super Kings, they have managed their order without Moeen Ali as well, because not enough matches were given to Moeen Ali. So they will be in a good position that way. They gotten Moeen Ali only, on pitches like Lucknow and others. So Moeen Ali in, out, it won't matter much to CSK. But Will Jacks over there, RCB will have a tough time. They might have a tough time. Okay. Second one, it's from Sports Fan. Is it unfair for few teams to not have the last fixture simultaneously? Will it ever change? Jamie?
Simultaneously mean having two matches at the same time. But I mean, 17 season that hasn't happened. I don't think anyone's complaining. So I don't see it change. No.
Okay, next one. This will not happen because LSG will win next two matches, and then RCB versus CSK will decide the CSK future, not RCB. Okay, Ravi Shankar, understood the point. And Jamie, after that live show where you told me, so Ramya, just check, go back to this comment once again and see there is no question mark, there is a full stop. I started reading Ravi Shankar's comments with so much concentration, because here also he's telling that what we were discussing won't happen because LSG will win next two matches. Okay, I'll get back to you if LSG win their next two matches, and I think then we can have a chat around, because CSK versus RCB will anyway be after LSG's two matches. So Ravi Shankar, do stay tuned with us in all live shows because we'll have a chat then. Pitch conditions are not as flat as they usually are in Chinnaswamy, which is aiding RCB. Sports Fan, I think Jamie and Kanav both discussed about the pitch conditions. They also talked about, the form of the team and, what can take RCB through to that match against Chennai Super Kings, and, what can help RCB on that day in Chinnaswamy. So I think we have discussed that.
We discussed at the halfway mark when we were analyzing where the teams are. This same fact had gone against RCB. We were all saying कि क्योंकि ये पाटा विकेट नहीं है, इसलिए इनका home advantage अब nil हो गया. So it's a valid point, but it was equally valid when the first month of the IPL when they were not winning. So it just says the pitch is not the issue. The issue is the intent. Now they're playing with intent. The moment Virat Kohli said in a public forum कि हमारी गलती अब हमें इस मकाम पे छोड़ के गई है कि हम नहीं क्वालिफाई कर पाएंगे और हम फैंस के लिए खेल रहे हैं. That was re-ignition number one. Re-ignition number two was Mr. Gavaskar saying whatever he said. क्योंकि उसके बाद विराट कोहली का जो स्ट्राइक रेट है वो 160 से तकरीबन 200 गया था. So the pitch has been the same for 13 matches for RCB. Not 13, as in how many? What, 7 home matches? It's the intent. Before they weren't showing intent. The same thing, and I'm sure Sanab will agree. चल रहा है, कूद रहे हैं, मस्ती कर रहे हैं. अब जो एक आग उनके नीचे लगी है, that's the reason why now they're actually doing much better. That's my 2 cents.
True. I agree. Yes. We have another question. We have any other question? CSK के लिए लास्ट सीजन फाइनल में चमत्कार हो चुका है. रेन एंड शॉर्टेंड गेम, नॉट दिस टाइम. अब चमत्कार तो बहुत सारे मैचेस में भी हो सकता है. उज्जवल, लास्ट सीजन हुआ, इस सीजन भी कुछ ना कुछ हो सकता है.
गेम तो 3 दिन गया, कौन सा शॉर्टेंड गेम था ये? मैं पक चुका था यार. I lost a day of my vacation because of that. ये कोई शॉर्टेंड गेम थोड़ी ना था भाई उज्जवल.
You were there at the stadium, Jamie? Were you there?
Thank God I was not there. I would have gone and I don't know. No, thank God I was not there. Thank God. 3 days for a T20 final. अरे इंडिया में 3 दिन के टेस्ट मैच नहीं होते, वो फाइनल 3 दिन तक खेला गया यार. I think that was more depressing an Ahmedabad final than November 19th in so many ways.
Okay, so that's that for today's live show. We were just talking about, how big of a game it is between RCB and Chennai Super Kings on 18th of May, because that'll decide, whether they'll go to the top 4 or not. And before that, we'll also get to see LSG's 2 games. So a lot of things will get cleared up then. But if you have to talk about CSK versus RCB, it's gonna be one of the biggest games in this IPL season, because it'll decide the future of either of the teams. Now, before wrapping this up, let me tell everyone that in today's game, the toss has been delayed due to rain. So the toss hasn't been done in Ahmedabad. It was match between Gujarat Titans and Kolkata Knight Riders, and we'll have to wait for a bit more, longer time to know what will happen in the match next, because right now the toss has been delayed. I don't think so it's raining over there, but yeah, the thunder effects are still on, and because of that they have put the covers on. So that's that. That's the latest update from IPL 2024. Thank you so much, Jamie and Kana, for joining with me, and thanks a lot everyone for staying tuned with us.
Thank you.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.